One of these jobs we all put off, defrosting the freezer. Well, let me show you a painless way to get the job done. Hi, Bryn here. Now if your freezer looks anything like mine, then it's time to defrost. All this ice buildup is caused by condensation in the air from your kitchen. As you open and close your freezer door, all the moisture is drawn in and it turns to ice. Now all this ice makes your freezer work harder, costing you money. So if the ice in your freezer is between 3 and 5 millimeters thick, it's time to get defrosting. Safety first, always make sure your freezer is turned off at the mains before you start defrosting. Now, don't be tempted to hack away at the ice with anything sharp. You'll risk damaging your freezer, and worst of all, yourself. Now, I've started by removing all the food and the drawers, and I put a towel down with a pan on top of that. We can then speed up the defrosting process by placing a bowl of hot water in the bottom of the freezer, and then leaving it to do its thing. When all the ice is melted, you can clean things up with a sponge and a cloth. There we go. Now a few tips before I go on how you can keep your freezer frost free. Try to keep your freezer door open for as little time as possible. The longer you stand there with the door open, the more frost you're going to get. The second thing you can do is make sure that your door seal is in good condition. Any gaps around it will just cause your freezer to frost up even quicker. Now, if you've seen my videos before, you'll know all about the banknote test. Just take a nice crisp banknote, place it between the door and the seal, and if it grips all the way around, your seal's in good condition. If there are any gaps and it falls away, you'll need to replace your door seal. One more thing, always make sure that your drawers are pushed back fully. A drawer sticking out slightly can stop the door closing properly, which can cause that ice buildup. Lastly, you could just invest in a frost-free freezer and save yourself an afternoon's defrosting. To order any replacement parts like door seals or drawers for your freezer, or to live chat with one of our service team, visit indesitservice.co.uk.